Have you been out camping and washing dishes and thinking, oh, I wish I had some hot water? Or better yet, I need a hot shower. Well, guess what? Fogatti has got a portable water heater, and we get to unbox this today. All right, now that I have all the parts out from the box, I'm going to check the quick installation guide, unpacking the product, make sure I have all the parts. So we've got the portable water heater, cigarette lighter power, got the battery charger, shower hook, shower, magnetic base, shower base. Hey, and it's magnetic. Excellent. Pump assembly and the shower hose. And it looks like we have some washers as well. And that is the unboxing. Stay tuned for our next video on how it actually works and how we put it all together.